Introduction to the Arabic syllabus for first year intermediate for the academic year 2021 and 22. Don't try to draw lines. Abbasuddin, don't do anything. Right here you see Introduction to Arabic syllabus for the academic year 2021 and 22 for intermediate first year students. Okay. Titles, page number Al-Anawin. Here Muqaddamatun is given, preface, Mabadiul Lughatil Arabiyya, introduction to basics of Arabic, then Ashkalul Hurufil Hijaiyya, shapes of Arabic letters, and Harakatun, vowels, Tanweenun, nunation, Al-Hurufu Shamsiyatu, sun letters, Al-Huruful Qamariyatu, moon letters. These are the basics of Arabics which we will learn. Now come to the introduction to the syllabus. In section prose, you have 6 lessons. Okay. In section prose, you have 6 lessons. Lesson number 1, Durusun min al-Quranil Kareem, lessons from the Noble Quran. Lesson number 2, Shama'ilun Nabi Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, characteristics of Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him. Lesson number 3 is Al-Hiwar, conversation. Lesson number 4 is Telanganatu Ad-Dhahabiyatu, golden Telangana. Lesson number 5 is APJ Abdul Kalam. And lesson number 6 is At-Tabiyatu, the nature. This is section prose. Okay. Your reader contains 4 sections. The name of the reader is Azharul Arabiya and it contains 4 sections. Section 1 is prose, poetry, non-detail and grammar. 4 sections are there. Okay. Please take the screenshot or copy it down in your notebook. Better you take the screenshot and later you may write it down in your notebook. Okay. Now come to section poetry. Section poetry contains 6 poems. Poem number 1 is Allahumma, Allah is with me. Tala al-Badru alayna, the full moon has risen upon us. Fazlul Ummi, virtues of mother. Sharrun wa khairun, vice and virtue. Al-Kitabu, the book. Al-Wardatu, the rose. These 6 lessons are there in section poetry. Come to section non-detail. Section non-detail has 6 lessons. Qismul Qisasil Qasira. Qismul Qisasil Qasira has 6 lessons. Ummul Mumineen Sayyidatuna Khatijatul Kubra radiyallahu ta'ala anha, the mother of faithfuls, Khatijatul Kubra. May Allah well pleased with her. Next is Malikatu Saba, the queen of Saba. Al-Hakimu Zahid, the hermit, the ascetic ruler. Ashfaqullah Khan, Batalul Hurriya, a freedom fighter. At-Tabibu Saghir, the young doctor. Al-Masrahiyatu, drama. Mahakamatul Lughatil Arabiyya li Apnaiha, the suit or case of Arabic language against its children. Okay, this is section grammar. Section grammar also contains 6 lessons. Okay, section grammar also contains 6 lessons. Lesson number 1 is Al-Kalimatu wa Aqsamuha, word and its kinds. Second lesson is Al-Mudhakkaru wal-Muannasu, masculine and feminine gender. Al-Mufradu wal-Muthanna wal-Jama, singular, dual and plural. Asma'ul Isharati, demonstrative pronouns. Ad-Dhamiru, pronoun. Adwatul Istifham, interrogatives. This is your grammar section. Let's talk about the weightage of marks. As far as the weightage of marks are concerned, weightage of marks is concerned, Section prose carries 23 marks. Total 23 marks paper will be prepared from section prose, and 29 marks paper will be prepared from poetry section, and 35 marks paper will be prepared from grammar section, and remaining 13 marks paper will be prepared from non-detailed section. In this way you will get 100 marks. Got it?